This is a fit for a 2017 through 2022 and possibly beyond Volvo V90 Wagon with factory installed flush side rails. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule Evo flush rail WingBar Evo base roof rack system. The system is using the WingBar Evo load bars in black, 47 inches in length, the Evo flush rail foot pack, and the vehicle-specific fitting kit, which includes the contoured rubber bases and the rubberized metal brackets which grip to the edges of the flush side rail. This is part number 6010. Here we have the bars positioned at 27.5 inches from front to rear, center to center. Maximum crossbar spacing is up to 49 inches. The maximum weight carrying capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in our video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.